Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to blur an specific area on a clip in Davinci Resolve. So for example, you wanna blur a specific area on your video on Davinci Resolve. For example, I wanna blur the flag of America. So all you need to do is go to color on this side and then go to window. And on the window, select a shape of a blur effect that you want to use. So all I need to do is put this triangle on the center of the flag or where the flag is. And then I'm gonna adjust the size of the uh, the square or the rectangle. And then after I adjusted the size of the rectangle or the square, I'm gonna go to tracker. And on the tracker, all I need to do is just click the track forward button. And again, the tracker will track the movement of the our video. There you go. After the tracker finish tracking the video, all you need to do is go to blur and increase the radius of the clip or the blur effect. And then go to cut, and there you go. So we already blurry a part of the video. See? And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.